Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we are wrestling with a really fascinating challenge in the world of digital credentialing.
hmm
We're doing a deep dive on the Certifier, a platform that's making a pretty bold claim. They say they deliver true enterprise-grade automation.
But without the, mortgage level pricing you usually see.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
our mission is pretty simple. Does this thing actually work? Or did they just cut a bunch of corners to get that low price?
And that's a huge question because our sources show organizations reporting things like 90% time savings.
Wow.
Yeah, and eliminating thousands in manual work costs, all from automating credentials. So if this platform is the real deal, it could be a massive game changer for so many businesses.
Okay, let's unpack this then. The adoption rate it's pretty staggering.
Yeah.
Over 1,000 organizations are using it, kind of flying under the radar.
And the reputation is solid. We're talking 5 stars on Trustpilot from over 100 reviews. Good G2 feedback.
But wait, if they're so great, why are there whole Reddit threads dedicated to figuring out if their emails are phishing scams? That seems like a red flag.
That is a great piece of skepticism. But what the sources actually clarify is that those threads exist because their email policies are just so transparent, it's unusual.
So unusual, people think it's a trick.
Exactly. The threads actually end up confirming the emails are legitimate. And the infrastructure backs that up. I mean, they're hosted on AWS. They're ISO 2701 certified.
Okay, for our listeners who might not live and breathe IT compliance, why should they care about ISO 2701?
Because it's not just a badge. It means they meet the global standard for securing your data, your recipients' data. They're also fully GDPR compliant.
So it's serious.
Very serious. We're talking about infrastructure that major institutions use, especially in IT, for things like CTC certificates, continuing professional education.
And the functionality sounds like it's built for that kind of skill. A drag-and-drop builder, almost like Canva.
Right. And you can do bulk issuance through a CSV upload, or there's Zapier APIs. Super simple.
So recipients get a unique URL, there's QR verification, and this is the good part one-click LinkedIn sharing.
Which is huge for the value of the credential itself. But all this functionality brings us to the elephant in the room. The price.
This is where it gets interesting.
This is where it gets really interesting. The contrast with their competitors is just stark. It looks like they're actively attacking the old business model.
So lay it out for us. What are the big players charging?
Okay, get this. Credly charges $5,000 just to get started.
Just to start.
Just to start. For 10,000 badges. Accredible, another big name, wants $960 a year, and there's no trial.
And certify me.
Their prices. Completely hidden. You have to get on a mandatory sales call. The competition relies on this opaque pricing model.
Which lets them pressure you, charge different people different rates.
Precisely.
So in contrast, the Certifier's pricing is almost suspiciously transparent.
It really is. They have a forever free plan. You can issue 250 credentials a year for free. Paid plans start at just $39 a month. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee.
The verdict from our source material was pretty clear. Honest pricing for honest functionality.
Absolutely. But, we have to look at the trade-offs. Nothing's perfect.
Okay, so what are the real users complaining about?
Well, the limitations are there. People say the UI has a bit of a learning curve. Free users want more custom tags, which is understandable. And deeper email customization costs extra.
But for a big company trying to scale up, isn't the lack of native integrations a huge bottleneck? Relying just on an API and Zapier feels like a big restriction.
It is. It's a critical trade-off. It means you need someone on your team with a bit of technical know-how to set up those automated flows. It's not just plug and play.
So that's the deal.
That's the deal. They solved one problem automating secure credentials, and they did it exceptionally well with a transparent, low-cost model. They're basically passing the savings from not having a huge sales team directly to you.
So the free plan isn't some bait and switch.
Not at all. It's a fully functional product. You just don't get all the deep customization features.
So the key takeaway here is, this is legitimate, robust software. And its main feature is this kind of radical transparency in an industry that loves to hide everything behind demos.
It really seems like they've cracked the code on providing enterprise features without that massive enterprise sales overhead.
Which leaves a pretty provocative thought for you to chew on.
Considering this deep dive, how much hidden cost is factored into software that forces you onto a sales call instead of just posting their prices? What might that lack of transparency really say about their core value, and whether the price is about the product or just about profit? Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.